Ready,
go.
ready.
Clink, clink, clink. Welcome back to the channel. It's a girl Dainelle. For those who know, don't know, and want to know, thanks for keeping it real. That's on the back. I'm glad for that. And if you're a new sub, just subscribe with the subscribe button. It's on the green. Turn on your post notification bell so anytime me drop one video when I get it. See? So I have 3 special guests with me. As you can see, this is my sister Brittany. What's up? This is Kanila, and on the side of my cousin Rai from Merry Christmas video. Yeah, as on the side by the from the side by the saddle, you know I'm gonna get down some liquor, you know, shoot our drink. So we must know the game we play. So it's either we tell the truth or we take a drink. So right now we have some apple cider vinegar because your girl ain't drinking nothing, period. We have a little tracer. And this don't catch yourself? Comment and say. And then them adults
say
here.
My friends say your girl will be drinking apple cider vinegar.
Me and my cousin.
I realize that girl is involved in apple cider vinegar drinking.
Anyways, and then we have beef that I don't even want to leave it too long. She, my sister, and this other adult, those bigger adults,
there's some kind of taste.
will be drinking
big,
it.
yeah?
But she a big
they got
woman,
tips at this.
so she can drink it. You see?
Yeah, they got tips at this. And that look.
Alright, so I have this app on my phone we call Truth or Drink. So it's not like everybody asks some question. Come on, if I ask only some question, you not got to see it. You see, so I have one app on my phone and I'm choosing the icebreaker. So it's we're gonna go that way here.
So you get the question first.
No, me I go that way here.
So start putting.
Why
So the
exactly?
first, so let me tell you what icebreaker says. Icebreaker says the best way to break the ice. Are you ready to spill the truth, and nothing but the truth?
I can plead the fifth.
So the first one is.
She look confused.
What truth are they? The first one says, what's the most embarrassing thing you have ever done?
Oh,
Right
your
here.
question.
No, it'll come around. Everybody will get a share.
The one question there.
Yeah.
Most embarrassing.
Everybody will come around. I'm not gonna drink this yet, so make a talk.
The most embarrassing thing.
I don't know, I'm cautious.
You don't have nothing?
The most embarrassing
You never
thing.
talk about embarrassing moment? You have an embarrassing moment? You must have an embarrassing
I feel like she have your moment for you.
You have an embarrassing moment. I'm
Wait,
telling you.
wait, me have
You
one.
have an embarrassing moment.
I have one.
What is it?
So,
Look now.
So, I remember I was in 2017 and one of them time there. We'd have Grand Gala. I'm in a mechanic uniform. I come up the step and the pan scratches tear out in front of everybody by the step in a big glass stadium. That was so embarrassing. I'm sit down for the rest of the night. Like,
Wow. Well, Kanila.
Me let them see me, huh? Me let them see me at
Take a
all.
drink.
Embarrassing moment. Moment of embarrassment.
I wouldn't call it embarrassing.
I mean,
I would say surprising. So the most surprising moment for me is a few years back when my cousin was here, Sweden, and normally when I up over the wall.
just pour up inside of me coming on and more right about now.
So I still remember that day. So this is me jumping on the wall. I know my friend now, I think that was Patricia, talking to me. So no, you know when you're trying me back here, so one wall in here. The wall over there is
I got you right over.
I want you to until me knock out. I'm telling you, swear that I did enough, you know. Girl, the way I is a friend, I just get up and laugh too.
The way for the.
Well, for me, just say that Dana does not have shit. No things happen to Dana and Dana just brush it off. But one of the most one that really hit me is a day that I had diarrhea at school. So I wanted to go. I wanted to go so bad, and I legit did not ask my friends. So none of my best friends know about it. Nobody want me to walk with them, but know about it. I legit asked just a random girl. Don't feel offensive if you find a video. A random girl to follow me. I'm say no, so I'm going to the neck bar bathroom because the neck bar bathroom safe. You can go in and do anything and nobody in the kitchen. Turns out, no, that don't mean it. Turns out, I forgot about you. I say a bag of PE picking them and coming and going to the physical bathroom. I say no man, I had to go in the public bathroom. When I go in the public bathroom, I'm telling you, it was so messy. Like I got messy in there. Anyways now, I was supposed to come out. Anyways now, so I'm telling myself I got come out to the bathroom. And then the artistic girl come in the bathroom. And I said, I was smells, I'm telling you. At one point I wanted to crawl underneath to go on a different. I threw in the bathroom, a 3 girl alone. And every girl gone left my cell. And I'm telling you, them say, I want to see a woman big. Then you can watch this, then you can tell them. And you know, everybody will get to know some embarrassing people then. Somebody that may say, boy, I want to come out and I say about you. Swamp, can them critics and call people, me alone. And I was like, I'm not in the video, man. I want to come out to start one gun and here, see how they are crying. I was mad embarrassed and the girl will follow me and my juice here now. So you girl, you coming out the juice, but I picked it up to know some my juice. And when I came out, the girl wasn't going there for look if it big. And I was like, oh my god, I just come out. And from that day, I'm telling you, from that day I was in grade 8. I mean, I tell them, say, yeah, I'm flushing, you have to come and flush. That's look. Wait now. It's when I come out, people, the girl wasn't going there for tell me if it big. So I just make up my mind. Except for that, everybody in the grade 7 call me doodoo. And you know, it's the other way with the S word. So that was mine. Yeah, everybody call me that. I just call myself so that maybe that's why I don't have any shame. Next one. So the next one is, would you like to kiss in this room? What room?
Next question.
The next question says, have you ever cheated in an exam?
Yeah. Real Jamaican people struggles. When nothing now working us. So the last 5 people you text and what the message said? On my phone?
Yeah.
Pull the back. That can't go.
What you mean sure?
Wait. Remember go look. This year?
What you mean sure?
The last 5 persons?
Okay, so I text.
Wait. Oh my god.
As in the last 5, but reply or the last message.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want to group count.
Group can't count.
Let me go first. So the first person I did text was
actually you did yeah.
Was my friend Kay, but my dad helped her with on YouTube something and she was like, Dainelle. Stop. So she was like, Dainelle, honestly I don't know how to do it. When you have the time, can you do it for me? So I was just helping her with something. I'm gonna just say okay. Then the next person, it was a group, I can't read out that one, I cannot. And then, yeah, my brother, he was like, sweet, now that's my little sis, keep it up, come and do a post on my status. The other person said hi, the other person was him. He was like, perhaps you have to reconsider because it looks like it's gonna rain. And I was like, I'm coming now, so I'm coming. Go ahead.
Fair, you don't know if I go
yeah, I must just say, go ahead.
Okay, so this is my friend, her name is Chantel. So,
speak up, girl.
So, wow. If it takes everything?
No! The last message.
Oh, she was, so basically she asked me, alright, the last thing I text was how is work. After that it's a group, a work group, bag of things in my tongue, I can't remember. Next person is my friend Jeremy and he said, Bricks, you know miss me? So I say yes, and then because it's in a voice note. Next person is my cousin. She text my phone, she's on her status.
That made me yo.
These messages can be just.
Sister, stink. She just said, see me here. I think that's fine. Isn't it, no?
Okay, so my first one, Girl Genius, aka Avia. I posted a video of me and this idiot on my status, and then she was like, "Oh, no, look alike, so," and I said, "We be twins," and then I was like, "Hey." Hey, no, hand sanitizer. Anybody else want hand sanitizer? Okay. And she said iced tea. Then my next one was my Selma reel. This is Kayandra, and she was like, "Girl, start today." Someone say, "Nah, look, girl, you know."
No, continue, mom. Make sure them see.
So she said, "Girl, let's start today." Someone say, "In the night, you want to start?" And she tell me, "Say, Apple lost her charger. I'm send her face."
Oh my God, them just
That a farm class.
business.
Yeah, when I chat about farm class, them text a girl here, Max want a secret service or something like that. Yeah, I'm sending that. And then I text Bobo the fool, me not calling the name. You know, the name disgusting, but me not allowed to bet thing. Man loud up my last name, he's my government name, and say something, I never understand. And then me kiss me right. KMRT. Yes, that's what I did.
Alright. Don't want to read everything? Ryan is going to take his shot.
He be drinking. Ladies and gentlemen,
You'll be down and dirty.
Don't know.
the beef eater.
Hello, I'm going to
beef
come over.
eater.
Come over, look up on Pharisee. I'm going to zoom right
The beef eater has entered the chat.
Ready?
Oh my God! Did you just do that? Did you just publicly get heartburn? Rub your chest. Whoa! Burn some duppy.
Read the message.
I bet they didn't read it, it's true.
It's a glass dropping
You
from
try, don't turn over there, go there. You try to drink no more.
heartburn, indigestion, diarrhea,
Supposed to burn the chest off.
What it is?
beef.
You see what year it's from?
Too much on the cup.
This is London dry gin.
And
Dry
it's-
gin.
And what is it from? It's from 18 something.
Yeah, from 18 1820.
Getting me like I didn't say automatic.
Alright.
Next question.
The thing come.
Next question.
What? It's a show off your orgasm face.
Let's drink some juice.
Pour the juice. Put the juice in everybody's cup.
Most of these guys are young.
Boo, I'm not doing that, period. Next
How
question.
is
don't
this
have
come
one.
showy?
Never drinking juice.
So I'm drink.
Okay.
Well, all have to drink it. All have to drink it. Drink your apple cider vinegar.
Drink your juice.
What?
Put the
Apple cider
juice
vinegar. Right
in
here.
the cup.
Serve for you.
Put the juice
Which one is mine?
in the cup. Look at our small cups because they're underage. I'm joking. We choose not to drink.
I'm sure if you're kind of like
The one that
want some over.
Why am I look enough?
No, I said something, girl. See there?
I wanna look enough.
Here, we'll look
No,
up.
yeah, we'll go down here, so alright.
You see them set up here, people?
Throw the juice. I bet they drink this like this.
And that no right about now.
We're not gonna burn belly fat.
Like a foot. Let me
We're
just
not
keep
burn
this
belly
on.
fat.
For my next sitting there, I can drink that instead.
Put it down this because I'm in charge of this.
For my next something, I can drink that instead.
No, you're on the age.
I can drink that instead. Me choose that over this.
You're not 18.
No, me only one.
Me at 18. Anyways, let's go. One time, everybody.
Cheers.
Shut up, please.
Well, we can see who's been to the clubs a lot.
Ready?
Let's go.
When it is
One
like,
more chance.
alright, you must be drunk right now.
Ready for
One,
the foot?
two. When they come now, come in and this now. Ready?
Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Rainbow, you see that can't still stay the same fire.
Like the first one, you know?
When the mouth like a smell. You're trying to make it I better nigga to wait. What else something in here? Show. You know the soda, cream soda.
Yeah,
cream soda or shit. It's alright. I'll leave some.
That's nasty.
Okay. Next one, I'm doing the beef eat or whatever.
Me rather was too.
I'm not drink no more.
I'm not drinking that.
Down here, you can always skin over it.
It's a why did your last relationship break down?
You first. You first.
Who's that from the side though?
Remember dramatic. Let's her take the food.
Which side is this start?
No man, in a this time it a burn me.
Yeah, feel hot inside.
What me go?
Right there, sir.
From me?
Da.
I thought you were in the middle, but
We're
Lord me
both
Jesus, my mother watch this. My mother watches
Relationship?
you know is
I don't have any.
You're so innocent.
let me talk
Yes.
ladies.
And let me talk to you.
How is it?
A lot of things. I messed up, he messed up, we messed up.
That sounds like a lyric.
People grow apart. As them say, see me and live with me are two different things, and as they get older, I experience lots of things. So people grow apart. Yeah, relationship.
This burns.
But that's a relationship. What do you mean, like friendship? Because that's a relationship,
That's
right
big,
there.
Yeah,
that's
relationship,
not-
I think that mean.
It says relationship, it would have said friendship. This
You
is
know, that's a form of relationship for your information. Friendship is a form of relationship.
so answer both then.
I can only answer one, my friendship. Okay, boo? Okay.
You're like just No, I'm telling you, this does not
Hey,
Then
banana
you're
and vinegar and apple cider vinegar me feel hot in your stuff.
Yeah, no man here.
That is a liquor itself. Anyway, back to me. I say,
I'm gonna kill with
reason why
Hurry
you
up.
gonna kill
You
yourself.
don't know that over here.
The reason for the ending of my friendship. I don't know, but maybe this just disgusting at the time.
You did disgusting.
Yeah.
That's still disgusting.
Sometimes just over the years, some just did pile up and I just say no
That the window, that the
mash up some he say, she say, him hear from Keisha and Keisha hear from Steve and then Steve come tell me. And
Ear
then the
say, don't
friendship
know.
down.
Ear say, kill your friendship.
Your turn now.
Let me go.
Distance.
If you're going, okay, go ahead.
No, one more
That's
them
it,
say
distance.
Distance, okay.
Picking up my nose.
Now for friendship, I would say, well, I have so many broken friendships. I'll say it would be distance and it just did get
I feel like I'm
unhealthy.
dragging
Distance,
so.
run around.
It was just a little distant after a while, and then it was more like it got messy to the point that we were unhealthy.
Toxic.
Well, stop asking so much deep question now.
Is it mentally? What can I mean? Unless you
Yeah, it was mental. Nobody knew that. Anyways. Yeah, there's some stop and I don't know what else.
Next question.
See, she's so caught up.
Yeah.
She got deep.
Where did the ear stuck?
It's the ease and
You know how much
it's
time we
stuck with
stuck?
you. No, it's stuck on the stone.
And a taxi.
Remove 4 items of clothes.
Give me that piece of liquor there.
What is that? It just asks you to remove items of clothes. Wow. This game is better. Wow.
Listen to me. Mercy. Mercy.
We probably could have removed
1
3.
foot of them socks here. So that's a 1, 2. I want to move.
These are clothes, clothes, huh? And that's the only thing that says for me. I can't do that. Not it? Oh yes, good girl. I don't know if you guys can see what's in it.
Say, we're carrying on the back.
Oh,
Period.
I'm tracing this.
Watch the heavens open. Yeah.
Let me see it. You're wicked to Kanina.
Just pour
No,
this
you have
in
to
there.
get to.
No. Let me tell you to do it.
You can't be able like that's your
So
So you don't throw it any juice on me, somebody for
I am writing juice at the
y'all should be chasing it. Ain't no liquor chasing me.
Alright.
See who's going to skin over at the end of
No one, this hard.
I feel like opposite of vinegar just resting on my belly, man.
Yeah.
Cheers.
kids first.
Cheers.
No,
Big
don't
cheers.
go all away.
Listen to me,
can't
club
tell
goer.
from me,
Club goer. You're going to knock glass one time and drink.
First.
So I say we'll come and clink and then go.
No, come here,
Come
Clink and then
Ready,
go.
ready.
Clink, clink, clink. Pass the blue rag now.
This got me.
Come through my nose.
Alright, so it says, what's a secret you've never told anyone?
What?
What's a secret
nobody.
you've never told?
Why you want me to say? You somebody don't tell nobody.
Yeah, so what's a secret you've never told anyone?
The secret that I will never tell now. Put it in my cup.
The secret is
Every secret room have somebody.
God sees the darkness. I never shed no light.
You never tell God him just see it.
God knows
He
the
knows
secret.
it, that's what I'm saying though. He said you never
Exactly, I want to tell him God sees the darkness. When them say what's in the
God
dark
is not
shall
a
come to
person.
light. I
God is a
never bring it
spirit.
to the light, so therefore nobody.
God is
We're not big as we want him be.
Hello, are you going to
Can't
talk?
refer to
Because
as a
I
person.
personally
We never.
So,
never
that
talk.
count.
One more time,
Come
one
in
more time.
one and that.
Agata.
For me guys, it's another
What do you
poo-poo
mean, sir?
story. I
How much of them do you have?
It's just I bash the person.
How much of them do you put on? What will you
I read that now. Stop it.
Stop where you got secret them for?
Alright, so for me guys, personally, I have two best friends. Wait.
I'm not best friends.
Anyways, like two of my best friends in grade 9. No, understand now, I'm gonna give my story. Just not watch her. I want to catch this auntie yesterday. I had 3, no man, this not doing nothing. That's it, I drink too much. Anyways, I had 2 best friends in grade 9, right?
Oh, you're the expert drinking.
And we were there buying lunch at the tuck shop and I farted. And it wasn't fart, it was poo. So I told them
Liquid
that,
poo.
yeah, liquid poo.
Just say
Just
It wasn't my belly, just turned out into it.
okay.
Anyways, and after that, I tell my best friend them, I had my lady business. My aunt, my sister from Red Hills came, so I had to go. And I called my daddy and told him to call the school, and they let me out.
Big up Swaggy.
So yeah, big up my father. My father is a real one, you know.
Oh,
He
yeah.
didn't even want to know the situation. Just saying, if a guy had, I'm gonna call him. Then tell my dad because she not feel good. And I came home.
She could not lie.
No, my father just knows that I'm genuinely not telling a lie. So that was just the case. That was. But yeah, that was.
You drink it a while ago? So we did it. What's your?
They saw.
Again.
No, the back in your way.
No, they saw.
The back of your way.
Next question, next one.
So you don't drink it like that, for?
So it says, what's
No,
the
no,
biggest
it's
misconception about you? For me, people see my eyes, and I'm not. I am genuinely very, very social.
Maybe it's maybe.
I'm antisocial. Most say so what my friend, wagwan, hi. And like if my legit see her stare me down, me gonna tell the eyes. So yeah. Yeah.
Well, I have a lot of
Yeah,
misconceptions.
Conception.
That's what I said. Like, I was just sleeping a little. First,
No. It's not hype, it's spoil. A lot of people think I'm a spoil. I still can't get the iPhone. So I still can't get the iPhone, so I'm not spoiled, period. I hate it though.
Can't get the iPhone.
I legit hate it. Until I get the iPhone, I can't start because I spoil. Because I get it in a long time, I want it. But that means I'm going to earn it. A long time I want the iPhone. No, I want the iPhone.
I don't know, not spoil it.
Like, I want my PO phone.
Merry Christmas.
You want to find
I want an iPhone. Come here, guys.
Anyways, for me, well, the hypeness, I don't know. People say I'm going to same thing as hype. But sometimes really and truly just having a bad day. People just need to understand that people have their day. And if I am to walk about every day smiling, but my tell me some bad. You can't please bad people. You laugh too much. You screw too much.
Yeah.
Just leave my face be.
rest on Facebook?
Some people say I'm very sometimes. I am.
You get the floor, you still want. You don't know for sure you're selfish.
It's not a misconception.
I am selfish too.
It's all a word because my tongue has twist up.
Misconception.
Thank you. Well,
Misconception.
I swear it's my ear rhymes a misconception.
Okay, guys, it's my turn. Ass out titties now, guys.
What?
You know the Nicki Minaj song? Ass out titties. What she make good?
Oh my God, this is a family channel.
I thought you were going to sing
Booty
body.
out.
I thought you were going to sing body.
Yeah. You guys know what I'm talking about. Anywho, my misconception is that, guys, I always have a resting B face. What's that?
But it's true. It's not
Not
right.
true.
Yeah.
It's a
Y'all,
misconception.
that makes me unapproachable.
That's not a big. No.
you're not about to
You look
approach
at
her.
and then you have this look. Okay. So
But you
yeah.
know-
Not true.
You know what I'm
She
saying?
legit have this face when she walk. And if you go to tongue tie, yeah.
The attitude.
With her eye cheekbones.
So that's not a misconception. Moving on. Go ahead.
Dang, you flopped my show.
I'm unapproachable.
But I know.
Everybody say,
But you never want nobody approach you.
well, I don't want nobody approach me, but
Me not unapproachable.
men can't come to me and say nothing.
I'm not say that. No, people say them afraid to talk to me too.
I'm
Afraid to talk to
true.
me.
I'm afraid to talk to
You're
me. Look
afraid
how me
to talk.
I
nice.
can't understand why them favorite talk to me at school, because I ever see
No,
somebody
at
else.
school, if I'm at church, people legit like, yeah, alright. I just love deep, little deep meds. Like sometimes I just say my face scream, I just have my head.
I.
And I'm not hype and I'm not spoiled. So I
You
don't
never say you hype.
No, I'm
You
just
say you hype.
Do you want to approach Dainelle?
You don't want to approach me though.
No, sometimes I have a genuine straight face, but if you come
Approachable.
to me, I'm
Can you look like one of them girls there where
Next
you go
thing
to
me I
them
talk
and
to her, she just goes
the
up.
attitude.
Let me
approachable now.
No, you're not, sweetie. Let's go.
What? Wait.
Baby girl.
Say something.
Jesus Christ. Please be careful.
It says say something dirty to the person on your left.
Right?
Dainelle stink.
Dainelle, I can't help your left.
She said, there's something dirty about you.
Yeah.
But don't ask me someone. I know Dainelle, but what do you
What
want
is
me
your
to say?
what is your dirty?
Oh no, you must say something. Oh, yeah, true. You're talking.
That you got to learn something dirty.
Pretty. I said there's your lash lean. What's up, you said there?
Where?
About that, that's true. I can't even put it on.
Please take it
So
off.
lie, like she's capping. She's capping. Can you
To be honest, guys,
say it to him now?
I didn't have the mirror.
Dirty.
You'd have to just do it free-handed.
dirty.
What? Dirty, so dirty.
Yes.
Yeah, what do you want me to do?
Right.
None of them are-
Oh my God. Common sense.
None of them
That
are-
could be common sense, because
Shape.
nobody upon him left.
Shape.
Exactly.
So why you not
Shape.
say, oh,
It says do your best sexy crawl.
God no.
What is it? What video? Must swap.
I don't know, my baby feel hot.
Yeah, my sister.
My baby feel hot, man.
Then if it is a drink, it
Say,
looks
say.
like, well, drink is something
This
like
is truth or drink and it be acting. No.
Naughty, naughty.
Image called what?
It's imaginary.
Naughty.
Put in what?
We'll have 10.
Put what?
Do you ever scratch yourself thinking about
Damn rude.
have you ever lied to get out of a bad date? In a date.
Yes.
Me never go for one of them sitting there.
More than once.
You know how much time my belly run?
Oh, to get out of a bad date? Okay, no, so that means say actually dead year I want to get out.
Yeah, or you're on your way and then something just...
Take me out.
Now if somebody asks me, say
Are you
me
trying
this
to
man and no
do
money.
before?
My people them not let me out.
But sometimes that what she says is not a lie. I really don't have no money. I really
Yeah.
don't care so
It's
much.
not always a lie.
Clothes
But
not ready.
Right?
I mean, I have no clue.
And it's like you ever call money broke enough to carry me out. Like what? Like, you won't carry me out. Well, I know you're
I want you pay.
I want me pay. So I was like, so what's the sense? You want to carry me or never me call you. It's not like him
Exactly.
say, alright, look here. You know, so mommy and go out together. Let's plan it. No. You want to take me out and want me pay. That makes no sense.
You're not
Better you carry
right.
him out.
And then me supposed me only have $1,000. I can't feed you.
And you're really good eye.
Okay, so it
Back
says,
somewhere.
what is the most embarrassing thing that your parents have caught you doing?
Well,
It's not
sorry.
embarrassing, but it's not.
What is it? Yeah, drink.
Then no problem.
No, what tell me?
It's not
Listen.
Yeah,
embarrassing.
tell me.
But you know what everybody knows.
That's if you tell me one.
We're trying to
I don't even want. It wasn't me. It wasn't me.
But why don't I tell you?
You know, sir,
That's
that's
a
Why don't I tell you?
I don't even true.
Yeah, telling them I want to, but no, they say it's our most. Come
Come on, me and her just said
And
something.
they come like a you ever
For sure.
bust a silent one.
But me not poop now. Alright, they don't know if me did poop more than laugh.
No, can I?
Me not poop. Honest. God himself can come down here
Anybody
and
who walk past
say,
and hear
this
this
child
must
did
have
not poop.
No man, this smell like.
You know, let's drink.
But let's drink it.
Yeah? So, maybe
It said, what is the most embarrassing thing that your parents have caught you doing?
Me no, me can't tell Dainelle one. You know, tell them about the Troy.
They never catch me.
Oh, she not true.
Then me just come back.
No! We take care of that.
I wish you that true.
Alright, mega go no one. No! Mommy never catch me.
Say them never catch
I know Troy know me the one which one talk. And I said sting.
you. Be devious.
You remember the Troy and can you know?
Oh yeah, I can. Oh, me no, me can't tell them. No, I can't tell. I'm not telling you guys because me tell them, but me not doing this. It was on the day that my mommy was planning an event. Mommy went to the available bathroom and I had to go in the unfinished one and I didn't want to sit on that and I go on the ground. So I went in the tub and did it. And I started to sweep it down.
When you come now and make a Troy, the
Wait, mommy talk and I cannot drink yet. I'm talking.
When I just know we put the chaser in there, pass the chaser.
Oh, what's your name? What are them in a second, huh? Right there. And it was like, I never wanted stock. Somebody started sweeping it down the drain and she gave me a lick in my
Do the down the drain.
You know what? When to the next round, to the next round.
Oh, my one's a fool.
I did choose, me not done throw the juice now and take the buckle from him.
I am answering everything. Coming in the one go on with the other and I did not see it. That's unfair. Me, period. Me answer everything.
Why you always have shit in problem?
I never that Troy and them, that's that, but
Me know
She knows straight me at
I
that
said I'm not going to say that when I was very embarrassed and they never catch me.
that's what the most embarrassing thing you should have tell them about.
I have to so I can pick food.
Wow, and they're all about the same thing. And then they're like, she just out there.
So it said, what's the most trouble you've been in?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a what's the most trouble you've been in? Oh my god. You got some menage. Yes. That was the most. Yeah, talking police come here.
Come here, come away.
Back here, come here again.
Me not think no. Me not have so much excitement like
I'll put you a story time.
Question?
It said, what's the most trouble you've been in?
I just that.
Oh no cool.
That's the one.
So me I didn't say one in here.
I'm telling you. Mine is so much.
I mean innocent. Come and have so much.
Then they'll see you drop me home.
Short and simple.
Alright. But we'll never really get in that trouble. never really get in trouble.
No, the most.
Pull the cat them here.
Me no.
A juice.
Amber told me welcome.
You smell bad. A juice.
No, okay.
Anyway, I already get a detention, but I go pick him and give himself problem. So in the library, I rain did a fall the day that I in a 8th grade. And the light did a go on and go off. So Pitney start fling things. So me with my enough self take up one of the book them and fling across the room.
I like the teacher.
Slap the teacher. The light come on at the same time, but never see who fling the book.
And then
the light go off again and somebody slap her again. So the whole class end up getting detention because really do the teacher bad in the class.
Well, me,
Mr. Color girl, they are fishy.
I have been in a lot of trouble in school that a lot of family members don't know because me just good them way they feel them keep it on the mat.
So who's the bad girl?
But the worst one, the most trouble I've been in is the time when they go jail go first. One of them.
Yeah.
Jail go first.
Prisoner deep.
Oh, sorry. Whoa.
Anyways, it was a case like this. I follow my friend. I got to hit you. I follow my friend. Got thief something at one supermarket.
The thief from supermarket?
Yeah.
No,
Me thief over enough time. Me thief out of
She did
supermarket.
little bit.
No, the first
It was
time I did
just
little bit.
inspirational. Just rub up.
No, we genuinely plan it at school.
Listen to me. Hello.
Let me just talk. I'm keeping it real
So
pure.
theft and larceny.
Listen.
Uncle is out.
You never hear about it?
No.
It was a long time and I was young.
You see what I
and
just
naive.
said?
I was young and naive. All them do it too. Anyways, so it was a case like this.
Confession is good for you too.
Anyways.
Obviously, I am not any little picnic.
I'll go and change right here. No,
Yeah.
say shopping.
Anyways,
like she do.
so it was a case like she said she gonna do this and now, but me tell her say me not help her. Me just go in there with her. Stupidly, I fell for it.
Accomplice.
I go in there. She do last, so she have a check bag. I went
Still
there
accomplice.
and she started pack up her bag with bag of boom. That's why I get the boom idea for my father.
Yeah,
She packed it up with a bag of boom and I think bun and cheese and cheese, yes, that's not there and cheese itself. And she said, carry my bag out there so we got take bus. I was swap bag and I just see one man. I come out and I just see one man and pull up my back. Hey girl, come here, your teeth like. I'm sorry.
The girl wicked here.
So I pull me in there and I'm telling you, listen, I'm not gonna tell you full story because I don't want to talk about somebody who actually, come for me, that my family didn't know, but me end up telling. So yeah, then put me in there, man, for sit up on the floor the whole from after 3 go straight to 7 o'clock in the night. I'm not stop giving them wrong number because I'm not give them my grandmother number, I'm not give them my grandfather, I'm not give them nobody number because I'm legit not get no cussing, I'm not gonna. So I was like, okay, a police is going to come and take a statement to your friend, but I'm not want to thief, so I'm gonna take a picture and put up in there something. And I'm telling you, it was a lot.
So, you name them.
Wait, no.
Charge for?
Legit, no, listen.
But she just
Listen, so now, I say no, I'm gonna give them my father, and I'm gonna come father and me a soup.
listen to me.
And listen,
If you're not real swaggy.
I'm for my father, big up yourself and I'm for my father, you have me and I'm telling you, I'm make it me and you make it together and a best friend. So yeah, I call my father and my father was at me, I come for her. My father come with him gang, I mean, even the girl get let out and she know herself, if you see that video, a girl, but they upset with you. The girl get out and her mother never know. My father tell them, say, them they have a reunion thing and they come over the house and eat. Yeah. Big up swaggy. Now me I telling her.
Reunion.
And some like so. And them call my grandmother, yeah.
We introduced.
I remember at the late night and my grandmother come in me about stuff. Yeah, big up my father. It's true. I'm not gonna take no more of that. I'm done. But yeah, my father pick up for me. And he tell me not to do it again, so I respect that I will never. I done it before though.
You think should I get charged for larceny?
No, because me just accompanied. Yeah, I was young too.
too.
So I'm just gonna try to scare me. Yeah, anyway, moving on. This video is super long.
The
though.
truth and the apple look dirty, you know.
It said, have you ever broken the law? I just did.
Dainelle.
No?
Okay. Guys, I'm gonna drink this because I'm okay. Breathe that. Hold up. Anyways, guys, see you in the next clip. Tell them bye. Peace out.